Hey YouTubers, just a quick video. My name is Teresa. I'm from Lokahi, Hawaii on Etsy, and I am just going to quickly show you, because I know everybody has limited time, of how to open up your pine cones. And here I am just placing the pine cones on aluminum foil. I'm going to put them in the oven at 200 for about a half an hour. So that's how you get your pine cones to open up. Put them in the oven. I put it at 200 for about a half an hour for them to open up nicely. And in order to close them, you would do the complete opposite. You could soak them in cold water and they'll close. It does take probably 2 to 3 hours for them to close, but it can be done. So I just about have all of them lined, and you definitely, when you do this, you want to use aluminum foil, because what this does is debugs, dries out the cones, and also cooks out the sap. So this way, once you start using these for arts and crafts, or I'm using them to make fire starters, then they won't open and close. They'll be completely dry inside and ready to use for crafts. And here is my finished product. It did take a lot longer. I did have to increase the heat to 300, and I actually waited 2 hours this time. So I'm not sure if it's just that the pine cones were cold, whatever have you. This is the method to actually get your pine cones to open up nice and beautifully. Look how gorgeous these are. My family always laughs at me because they're like, oh my god, you're so corny, look at you freaking out about some pine cones. But when honestly you appreciate nature and know how crazy and amazing it is, just the little things really are so much bigger than the average person would believe. But there you have it, how to open up your pine cones, stick them in the oven, get them hot and heated, cook out the sap, debug them, and there you go. Thanks guys.